After SEO, paid search is one of the most popular channels, especially when immediate ROI is a requirement. Paid search spending has increased by almost 18% this year, according to analysis of the Internet Retailer. The collective money for paid search spent for the top 1,000 e-retailers in 2014 stands at approximately $160 million. So what is paid search? It is the science and art of bidding for terms that they want to appear in the top of SERP listings. The objective of paid search is to send traffic to a website or a web page or even a landing page. Paid search is relevant for both search engines and for social media platforms too. Most search ads are sold on a cost per click or a pay per click basis, but some advertising options may also be sold on a cost per impression basis. Paid search is also known as SEM, that is search engine marketing, paid search ads, paid search advertising, pay per click, where you're paying every time a user clicks, pay per call, where you pay every time a user calls, CPC, cost per click, and even cost per 1,000 impressions. There are a lot of synonyms to paid search. So why paid search? We've talked about paid search being the most popular, second most popular channel. So why is it so? That is because the buying process has changed. Almost 67% of the people search out for a product online before making a purchase. These people are searching for a product out there, and paid search is the best place to be visible. By the time people have completed their purchase or research, 57% people make their decisions as to where they're going to buy the product. Through paid search, you ensure that your product is visible online, even if you don't rank high in the organic SERPs. This is where paid search appears on our screens when we access them via a computer, tablet, or even a mobile. They are displayed most prominently on the top with a small yellow tagging, showing that it's an ad. They have high visibility. If a customer requirement matches your ad, customers click on it, especially if they are browsing for, suppose, something like, say, smartphones. So it seems common sense to be there where people are searching. If you are ranking number 1 even in organic results, it makes sense to do paid search because, as you can see, you appear most prominently in this ad for AIS Insurance, giving you more visibility. So to summarize, when you're selecting for paid search, you select for or opt for visibility, more real estate on SERPs, a wide or selected traffic, local or larger reach, the ability to change the real-time messaging because you can change your ads real-time, and even the ability to schedule your ads because you can schedule your ads to appear in the same times as your office timings. Paid search advertising is not just about Google. It can be of different kinds: text, product listing ads, video ads, listing, remarketing, social media, and display. Search advertising targets those who are actively searching for something. Ads appear when a particular search query meets certain keywords or criteria chosen by the advertiser. Typically, advertising works on a pay-per-click basis. Display advertising is different because it involves ads meant to appear when someone is in browsing mode on a particular site already, and you can see the ads appearing on the site. Usually, though not always, display advertising charges on the basis of impressions, that is CPM. One of the most popular parts of advertising, paid advertising, is Google AdWords. The Google AdWords search network platform is a very common place to run text ads. There are typically text ads formatted similarly as in the image. They are placed either on the right side of the panel or directly above the organic listings of the SERPs. Google also has some great ad extensions that can be very useful depending upon the advertiser's products and end goals. While AdWords is the primary platform, it holds between 80 to 85% of the market share. Smaller players such as Bing Ads too are notable, and they are gaining increased advertising. Those who are serious about reaching full paid search advertising should consider using both AdWords and Bing. PLA or product listing ads are relatively a new campaign type. These ads show information such as product name, image, price, and business, and link directly to your site as a standard text ad. In order to create shopping campaigns, you must have an account in Google Merchant Center and link that with your AdWord account to get the product listing ads visible. When you are creating a new search campaign, especially in Google AdWords, you can opt whether you would like to include other search partners, as you can see in this image. Checking this option gives Google the permission to display your paid ads on those sites where text and placement exists in agreement with Google. Another category of advertising is called listing ads, which is now not so popular. Here, third-party vendors exist for almost all types of advertising needs. It's up to the advertiser to choose which ones would be most valuable to their business and goals. For example, an e-commerce business may choose to invest in media from a company like HookLogic that displays prominent product placements on search engine result pages through various result or retail sites. YouTube's paid search platform has taken huge leaps and bounds in the last couple of years. Within AdWords, a simple YouTube search campaign will allow your videos to show up within video search results that meet certain keywords or other selected criteria. Selecting the YouTube video option within AdWords allows for in-stream advertising. This is also known as YouTube's TrueView platform and consists of skippable ads that appear before a video. It's important to note that the advertiser is only charged for an impression when the viewer watches the entire ad or watches it the past 30 seconds. Remarketing ads are displayed to people who have viewed your site in the past with the purpose of bringing your product or company back to their mind. Within the search network, standard remarketing ads show your ads on searches for users who have left your site in the past but did not purchase anything. Remarketing is now one of the most popular kinds of paid advertising. Social media has changed the way digital marketers use paid search. Advertisers must consider the type of interaction they wish to have with the consumer base and form a social media plan around their goals. Most mainstream social media outlets offer paid search options. Twitter, for example, has great ad platforms. So has Facebook. However, Facebook ad creation is different from AdWords. You target people's interests rather than addressing the search phrases. In Facebook, you're targeting people based on more who they are rather than on what information they are looking for. AdWords works on keywords. Facebook does it based on people's preferences. These are the elements of search advertising: search term, target area, budget, and relevancy and quality. The tip is to choose the most specific ones. You can target locally by region, nation, or even by zip code in Google AdWords. You can target by preferences on Facebook. You can increase or decrease your budget. You can make sure your ads and landing pages are relevant to the search term. And you can keep your quality high to reduce costs. So this is the paid search cycle for PPC. You start with researching keywords. You next research the audience, like what kind of audience, what zip code do they like, what are their geographical area. Then you fix a budget according to your budget. You create the ad. You create a landing page corresponding to the ad because the messaging should be same and relevant. You launch the campaign, monitor the campaign. You can even change the campaign in real time if it is not working. The seventh step is to analyze it. And finally, the eighth step is to make improvements. Search is very doable. You can launch a campaign in a small budget. The ROIs are immediate. You can scale your campaign if you are getting good returns. You can even modify your campaigns right in the middle in real time. And your reach can be very targeted.